So another video from last year that we're putting up, one of my favorite dishes. Popo makes like a variation of this every week. We're making pai quat, Chinese spare ribs with potatoes and carrots, braising technique, really nice. I hope you enjoy the video and be well. Yeah.
See you.
What do I say? Say it to the camera too.
Wait a minute. 薯仔 potato 煮排骨就買
The pork rib.
Yeah.
Gum sa quat.
咁沙骨 right. See like this. Okay.
Okay. How do you know how to make this?
我幾時都整嚟食，整咁多好咯，留翻一條整第二樣一餐，留翻呢條我呢條。
So if you go to a Western supermarket, they don't have.
They don't have this kind. Only in Chinese don't have it. But you could buy the whole spare rib and so you can cut
The whole spare rib, they have the bone in there, so it's hard, right?
Yeah, the bush is to you. You cut it like 3-4, but they don't do to you like that.
It's the Western supermarket.
Yeah, 排骨嚟嘅。幾多肉喺度，唉，仲整啲。
It's okay. Sujai better. Save the yolk. I'm sorry.
Okay. No.
Jungi sujai.
俾個
酸頭。
蒜頭。
咁住你食個 biscuit.
食就好食啦，好過食 cake 嘅。
Yeah.
俾 half small onion. Now I put 蠔油 a little bit marinate, but 啲 home cooking 嘅多數 marinate. I put some 鮑魚汁。
You fancy. Whole gold cup. Show the camera the Tsp Abalone Sauce.
Yeah.
幾多錢?
I think it's $6 or $7.
Oh,
And then give some white pepper.
white pepper. Everything you make has the same flavor.
Same flavor,
That's all you do.
but you know, all the same thing. If it's less meat, then you put less. If it's low meat, you put more. You know. 生抽冇俾咁多啦，a teaspoon 就好啦。About half pound meat 就話冇幾多咋，and a half pound teaspoon that's it. And a cornstarch. Same thing. Everything is same thing.
Why you like cornstarch?
Make a spoon, about a teaspoon, and sugar, half teaspoon. That's it. 撈勻佢咯。See, if we got time, it should be marinated for hours before we cook. Sometimes you could do it right away.
Today we have no time.
No time. 喺 home cooking 你多數 marinate， 但喺餐館嗰啲咁嘅有啲佢冇當時煮。Oil.
Always oil last.
Always oil less.
Papa's way.
All right.
Okay.
Then open the fire.
What about the potato?
Potato 未好整住啊。Potato 我 cut them up a piece like this and soak it in a half teaspoon salt.
Oh, okay.
等佢 soak in like this. Now 我俾 little oil in here.
So you didn't cook the potato?
No, don't cook the potato.
Just in cold water and salt?
Cold water, yeah. And let this 等佢唔爛啊嘛。
Yakojong. It oxidizes.
Yeah, right.
It changed color.
Doesn't change color. Put some carrot in there if you want it, you know. It's up to you. Onion in here first.
What's that?
Garlic.
How the onion and garlic.
All the garlic, onion and the garlic.炒嘢呢啲。Medium flame. 炒一炒佢就
$6.
doesn't matter. 應該俾佢燜啲快餐，炒一炒佢先就啱
Yeah, me too. Yao mei dou on the bottom. Garlic soy and then they come out.
cup.
That's not a cup.
Well, 我呢啲肉，嗰啲肉。Carrot oil. The potato not yet. Cook about half an hour or 20 minutes, and then you put the potato on there. Because the potato is easy to cook.
So you cook 20 minutes first,
Yeah,
and then you add the potatoes,
Yeah.
and then you cook another 30 minutes.
20 minutes.
But if you cut the potatoes like whole die, you could put it in now, right?
Yeah, but potato 抌晒啊，晒啊嘛，right?
Because you cut them small.
Yeah, cut them small.
If you cut them really big, they don't get mushed up.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it. Let's cook about 25 minutes 咁樣啦。
Okay, up.
Okay, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah,
That's it?
yeah.
Okay.
When the boil, let it boil. When it's boiled, put on the low flame. Become medium, yeah. Put on low flame.
Say that again? Okay.
After 25 minutes, we rinse it with the cold water so it can, the potatoes not got salty because they got salt in here. I'm afraid it will be a little salty.
Okay.
So we put it on there and cook about 2 minutes and then it's done, okay?
Okay.
That's it.
Bye, mine.
Mm-hmm.
So it's cloudy.
Yeah.
You wash it off.
Japanese people or Chinese people always wash the rice.
What about Korean people?
Korean 又 wash 呀，係啲老花唔 wash 唔 wash 嘅。
呢個唔係 medium heat，係 high heat。
我而家蝦熱煲翻滾佢先，
滾咗啦。
滾咗就撈，開
中
撈，
中
係咪呢度啊
yeah。
Yeah, one and one 係咪？
呢個係 two。
Two more, okay. One. A little bit more. 我唔中意啲飯嗰啲。
And you check the finger or no?
唔使啦
Because you measure it.
Yeah.
Same cup.
Same cup.
But it's just over the rice a little bit.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, 呢個嚟整我嚟得。
I press it now.
唔使咁快。
鹹豬肉
Yeah.
你自己整
Yeah.
You salted it?
Yeah.
What do you do with it?
Just put a salt on there, that's all.
I know. What are you gonna add it to?
冇嘢㗎，淨係俾啲 salt 嘅。
葱菜
葱菜 right.
Add oil. Turn on.
Yeah.
Medium.
我嚟煮嗰啲咩？柴歐地。
中文。
佛掌瓜，我切咗啦。俾我洗一洗嗰得。先，我切咗喺度啦。太唔得啦！呢隻豬肉鹹嘅，唔使俾嘢。擺呢度得㗎啦。
This one.
呢個得㗎啦。呀。
What about this one? Still high?
嗨啊！呢個切緊呢個。
激咗啦。
呢個唔使嘢啦，等佢我切。
Just throw it in.
好啦，呢啲唔使。
Whitepepper.
唔多呢啲唔使㗎啦。
Now what? 透氣。
透氣 ，yes， 透氣。
You need the whole yao?
唔會啦，咁去啦，我透氣先。OK， 係咁啦。洗啲薯仔先啦。
Okay.
Off the phone 啦，right？
Yeah.
倒啲薯仔落去啦。
Oh, it gets thick.
Yeah. Another 15 minutes.
Okay.
教佢15 minutes 啦。Oops！ 等我教啦。
Now what? The rice.
Yeah. 夠唔得啦？
Yes.
唔夠先至加，睇下加鹽加乜嘢。OK， 又透氣啦。3個鐘啦。
A restaurant.
It's a restaurant. 唉。
Hiking? 泰山?
Crazy！
點解？
我點知你咁凍啊，又落雨，哎呀！
我哋一齊去。
俾我都唔去。
好嘅餸。OK， 排骨。
排骨。
呢啲。
Yep。呢個張排骨。
金沙骨。番茄豉仔排骨。
即係排骨。
You want me to hold it? 咁樣。In the restaurant 幾多錢？
唔知冇呢個我打食 ，restaurant 冇呢個我打食。
點解？
我喺度。They don't cook this kind of stuff.
You cook 豆豉排骨。
Yeah. Use 2 hands 啊。
我係 K 台 use 1 hand. Look at this, see? K 台。 Thanks guys for watching if you watched to the end. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. It will really help us in the algorithm. And I wish you health, wealth, and happiness. Peace. Thank you, Papa, too.
Thank you. See you.
Yeah.